Hi guys, my name is Priyashu and you're watching Encyclop. In this video, we are discussing question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Coach, the number is, you can note down this number 900 936 8238. This is WhatsApp number. So question number 1A, which is visit the website of the Delhi Public Library, Delhi at the website is given here. Browse the link related to legal deposit in this library and list out the design principal legal depository libraries. This question has taken from the lesson 2 and you have to answer in the 40 to 60 words. And we have prepared all the answers according to the word limits and according to the chapter wise. If you need this, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Thank you.